Guys, we are gonna be trying out a brand new product that I'm really excited to try out. Hello, my name is Josie. Just in case you're new here, I would love if you join the family and hit that subscribe button to become part of the GLAMFAM. So, we're jumping right in because I'm so excited. This is IT Cosmetics' new concealer. If you guys are familiar with IT Cosmetics, they also make the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, which is a great concealer. Not for me personally though, because it's a little bit too thick for my under eyes, and I've always wanted them to come out with a thinner one, and they did, with many other benefits as well. So this is the Bye Bye Dark Spots Concealer and Serum, which I'm really excited about. So this has 2% niacinamide. So the more you wear this, the better your under eyes are gonna look, and your skin in general, wherever you wear it. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is great for our skin and our moisture in the skin. And then the last thing that it has in it is caffeine. So this is like skincare and your concealer in one product. I'm so excited about this. So this is what it looks like. I have the shade Light Neutral 22. It is a doe foot applicator, just like so. Ooh, I wanna smell it. Doesn't really have a scent. It also has this brush on the top, which I'm gonna take as more of a touch-up brush and not a application brush, because I just like using my fingers and then whatever I use to blend out my concealer. So, let's get into this, baby. I'm so excited. So we're going right underneath the eye where our bags are most prevalent. There. There. Up here. And then up here as well. You guys can see my bags are pretty bad today. I didn't get much sleep last night. So it is underneath our eye, and I can already tell you that it's so light and so natural feeling without even blending it out yet. With it actually on my eyes after just placing it, it feels very light. So I'm gonna go in with my most useful tools, and that is my fingers, and we are gonna blend this out. Starting on the inner portion, we are going to just tap it to kind of warm the product up and get it to blend out into the areas that we need to conceal. It feels, that's crazy. It feels like I'm tapping nothing. It feels like I have nothing under my eye, which I'm a huge fan of, because I am not the full coverage girly on a day-to-day basis. This looks great. It looks great. I'm gonna go in with just a tiny bit more on the darkest areas though. Just like that, and I'm gonna go in and blend that out just in that area to get a tiny bit more coverage. Again, it feels like I'm blending skincare out, guys. Skincare. Like a serum or a cream. Not even a cream, it's thinner than that. That looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in with a translucent powder. I'm gonna actually use the Laura Mercier under eye powder. And then as you guys see, it looks really, really natural, like very natural, which is what I go for every single day. I'm gonna dust it, blend it in. That looks so good. That looks so good. Ooh! Okay, I'm gonna go in and conceal a little bit, spot conceal with this, just a little bit. So we're gonna go on the top of our nose because that is a little red. Around the nose at the bottom, because again, a little red. I have a couple blemishes down here. And then between the brows, it's just a tiny bit red. So now I'm just gonna go in and blend with my finger. See, look at that, guys. That is a really nice blend out. I don't like to put too much concealer on my nose. I wear glasses normally, and when you put a lot of concealer like on your nose, it tends to rub off with your glasses sitting there. So I like to put it on very lightly, and it still kind of comes off with the glasses, but not as bad. You can like lift your glasses and just kind of blend it with your fingers to make it go like kind of blend out. Look at that. Guys, let me just reiterate. This is only concealer on my face. It's only concealer and a little bit of powder. It's pretty amazing. Let me finish up the rest of my makeup, and then we will bounce back to do final thoughts. Makeup finished. So I am in love with this concealer. It looks great under the eyes and very, very natural with still giving you a nice medium coverage. Honestly, if you built it up, I'm sure you could get a full coverage out of this concealer as well. So, do I like it? I love it. I think it is great for everyday wear, and even if you are more of a glam person, I'm sure you'll love it as well, because you could use it as a brightener underneath your regular full coverage concealer. I would give this like a 9.5 out of 10, which is amazing, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna become like my favorite concealer, like top three. You did it with this. You did it with this one. Great job. That is it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glam Fam. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.